In this video, I'll show you a simple trick to upload a custom thumbnail for your YouTube Shorts, right from your PC. As you might know, YouTube doesn't allow custom thumbnails for Shorts directly from desktop. But here's how you can get around that. Open CapCut and load the short you want to upload. Next, click Export, and in the Export window, select Edit Cover. Then click Replace, choose from Video, and drag the slider to the exact frame you want to use as your thumbnail. Once you've selected it, click Save, and then export your video as usual. Now, head over to YouTube Studio and upload your short. And you'll notice your custom thumbnail is already applied. That's it. That's how you can easily upload custom thumbnails for Shorts from your PC using CapCut. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick YouTube tips. Thanks for watching.